Hey you guys, thank you so much for joining for yet another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really cute earrings. They pair so well with this evening dress that I made, and you can check the link in the description for a tutorial on that as well. These are really just a quick and easy whip, so without further ado, let's get started. We will be using a 2.5mm hook for this project, and the details for the yarn that I will be using will be in the description. We want to start off by first making a slip knot. Next, you want to make a chain of 6. Once you make your chain of 6, you want to go back into the very first chain, pull the yarn through both loops and work a slip stitch. Next, you want to work a chain of 3. So once you work a chain of 3, you just want to turn your circle. So the strand is on this side. So you just want to turn it so that it's on this other side. And then the next thing you want to do is into the center of the circle that we just made, yarn over and work a double crochet, but you're not going to finish it completely. So you want to work that 5 times. So once you've worked your 5 unfinished double crochets, the next thing you want to do is just yarn over and then work through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and work through the next 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, work through the next 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, work through the next 3 loops on your hook, and then one last time yarn over and work through the next 3 loops on your hook. You should have 2 loops on your hook left once you're done. For the next part, you want to turn your work again, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Work 5 unfinished double crochets into the center of the circle. Then once more, you want to yarn over and work through the first 2 stitches on your hook, next 3 loops on your hook, then work through the next 3 loops on your hook again, and then one last time into the next 3 loops on your hook. So this time when you finish, you should have 3 loops on the hook, and this is the pattern, the design that you should have for the earring, and then you can work through all the loops on your hook to finish off. You can take a minute to admire how cute this looks, because it's really such a beautiful stitch. And then next you can go on to finishing off and hiding our yarn. So the next part is really just attaching it to this thing over here. I have no idea what it is called, but you want to open up the ring slightly so that it can go into the center of the earring we just made, and then close it back up. Make sure you don't leave any space, make sure it's closed completely, and there we have it. That is our cute little earring that was so fast and easy to make and looks really good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a comment and a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and see you guys next time for another tutorial.